Hello, this is John Takahashi with C Vision AI, and this tutorial is on how to use the pan and zoom features in Tator. So to get started, you'll need an installation of Tator or a Tator Cloud subscription. You need to have set up a project that has a video type and uploaded a video. Okay, so the zoom, you're going to start by zooming in. So this is the zoom button right here. So I click this, and this is really meant for when you have an annotation or an object that you want to annotate that's kind of smaller, on the small side, and you want to get pixel accurate as possible. So I'm going to zoom in. You just click and drag to zoom, and then you press the zoom out button to go back to 100% zoom. Okay, so zoom in, and say I want to annotate this word here. Just click on the box button, click and drag, and I get the save dialog, so I'm going to save this. And when I zoom back out, it's in the proper spot. Okay. Now another neat feature of the zoom is, say I wanted to zoom in on a particular region of interest in a video. So say like the lower left half of the video. I can still play the video from here, and all the playback features work. You know, you have scrub and step forward, step back. Okay, so now going back to that initial scene. The other feature that you can use is the pan feature. So once you're zoomed in, just click on the pan button here, and then click and drag on the canvas to move wherever you need to go. And that's it for pan and zoom.